My name is Shoaib. I've been working at Klick for the last 3.5 years. Right now, my title is Senior Quality Assurance Specialist. Personally, I was doing nursing before, so medical industry was always an interest for me. Due to some circumstances, I had to change and I had to come into IT. But 20 years ago, we had our own family business. Like, it was a small family business, making computers, servicing them, selling them, doing networking. And while doing that, we got to meet quite a few different organizations that actually developed softwares. So at that time, software testing was not really a thing. We started actually looking at the applications that they were developing, letting them know what needs to be improved, just so the client can have the best experience. I started to get a passion for finding bugs. I was like, okay, this is the role for me. And I started getting into it. I actually did a software developing course. I did a business analyst course in order to figure out how the whole cycle fits together. Klick's name came up. I started doing some research on Klick. I saw some YouTube videos which were very exciting, read quite a few good reviews about the company itself. So I decided to give it a shot, and when I came here, I was just like blown away with the kind of people that I was interacting with. Honestly, it's the people that keep me at Klick. Everyone is amazing, easily approachable. You can go and talk to whomever. When I go and talk to my boss or even their boss, they actually make me feel like, I'm like they're hearing what I'm saying to them. Everyone is so friendly and helpful. I have not seen this much unity in any other organization.